So I'm going to program this puppy. Just plug in the serial cable underneath. And I got my laptop ready to go. And we'll program it here in a second. Once it's done, you got to restart the scanner. And now we got the new programming. Takes a few seconds to start, and there we go.
JTL 3 or 23, it's 10:14. Subject's a lot more calmed down now.
So while I'm driving, and just
Low on that 34, 10:6.
pretty easy to reach the controls.
JTL 34. 700 East, Wendover Boulevard, Kansas, X-ray Romeo Mike.
There's somebody getting pulled over on Bonneville Salt Flats.
1901.
And there we go. Pretty cool, slick setup.